This is a video about masking techniques to use on the laser cutter. The skull on the left had a masking tape put on it, so it doesn't have the burn marks that sometimes come with rastering. You can see on the right, you see the smoke marks. This is also very useful if you want to color or paint your product before you start. So really you just need to paint the wood before you laser cut, and then you apply a mask, which is either this blue masking tape or the white masking tape. Apply it over all the area that is going to be cut or rastered, and put it in the laser cutter. Here's the design that I'm going to cut onto or raster onto the box. Let the laser cutter do its job. Here's after the laser cutter is finished. You can see my name in colored pencils, and the sun diagram has been cut into it. I'm leaving the tape on, and now I'm removing the mask, and it's a very clean look right there. You can see very satisfying to pull that mask or that masking tape off, and it looks very clean, no burn marks at all. Similar I'm doing to this. There is some extra bit of work if you have little areas that the tape needs to be removed from. I'm having a problem here, but there you go. Another thing you can do is you actually can color into the spaces that the laser cutter has rastered. Like here I did it with this marker into the spaces that were rastered. The mask helps to keep you off the other color that you painted before you started the laser. And here we're removing the mask again to see the difference, the two-tone. So this would be a little bit more complicated of a build, so it does can add some complexity or some uniqueness to your designs. Masking can be used at any time you're doing any type of painting techniques to leave very clean lines. Here Mr. Johnson used 3 colors. He used the tape to mask off the lines between the 3 colors, and it left a really clean line. Cleaner than you could do if you just did it by hand. So if you have any questions, you can ask teachers, or if you look for this masking guide, it might give you some other ideas. You can paint before, you can paint after, or vice versa. Thank you very much.